Photosynthesis! Photosynthesis is the process that a plant or autotroph goes through in order to convert sunlight and water into energy they can use. Autotrophs are organisms that can produce their own food instead of going out and searching for their own food because they can't move. This is the general equation. It takes carbon dioxide and water to create glucose and oxygen. Photosynthesis puts that oxygen back into the atmosphere so us and other organisms can breathe. Photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast, and inside the chloroplast there's a pigment called chlorophyll, which absorbs and traps light from the sun and reflects all green light. That green light is what we see as the plant is green. The first step of photosynthesis occurs in the thylakoid. It is the light-dependent reaction. It is called the light-dependent reaction because light must be present and absorbed into the thylakoid. The light that is absorbed is converted into energy, which is used to excite the electrons in the chlorophyll. The excited electrons bounce around and hit the water molecules that enter the thylakoid. The water molecules break apart and the O2 leaves the cell and enters the atmosphere. And the hydrogen that is broken off from the water bonds with the NADP in order to make NADPH. The electrons, which also split the water, bond with ADP in order to make ATP. Photosynthesis also has the Calvin cycle, the second cycle, which is also called a light-independent reaction. It does not need the sunlight It does not need sunlight in order for the Calvin cycle to function. It takes in CO2 and the hydrogen that comes from the NADPH and goes through a process in the stroma and creates glucose and G3P. The Calvin cycle is powered by the ATP, which is broken down and converted back into ADP, and the NADPH is broken down again into NADP, and both go back into the light-dependent reaction.
Photosynthesis!
Little Candy Raver, she's my number one, and every time I see her moving, she's always having fun. She's my little Candy Raver, see her shake her thing. I love to see her dance, and I love to hear her sing.
Baby boy, baby, he's the one for me, and when the music starts to play, he'll be dancing to the beat. It's like any boy, baby, move on with the flow. When he hold me tight, don't wanna let it go.
Little Candy Raver, she's my number one, and every time I see her moving, she's always having fun. She's my little Candy Raver, see her shake her thing. I love to see her dance, and I love to hear her sing.
Baby boy, baby, he's the one for me, and when the music starts to play, he'll be dancing to the beat. It's like any boy, baby, move on with the flow. When he hold me tight, don't wanna let it go.
Are my teeth all blue?
Yes!
She's my number one, and every time I see her moving,